Supine frog press. You're gonna come into seated, roll yourself down into your semi-supine position. Now pushing down through your lower spine, you're gonna lift both legs up into your tabletop. Now you're gonna reach your knees apart. Flex your toes into your dorsiflexion, heels together, toes apart, feet apart. Keep pushing down through your lower spine. A lot of challenge here through the glutes as you push and lengthen out through the legs. Push up towards the ceiling with every exhale. Keep pushing down through your lower spine. Inhale in, exhale push. For a little bit more challenge, you can lower the leg, 30 degree, 45 degree, up to you. Keep pushing down through your lower spine, strong through the core. Inhale, wrap the knees in towards the side, and exhale, push through the heels, out. And that is your supine frog leg press.